candidates. A-Freight gift packs for all candidates also.
Ay, gift packs.
LBC Express gift vouchers for all candidates. And from Jocelyn Tan of ICLA, beauty product packs for all candidates. So everyone will have. And then,
Number 15. Indonesia.
fourth runner-up will receive trophy,
Fourth yung number
crown,
16 niya.
sash, 400
Baka 60.
Oo.
Singapore dollars.
16 niya.
Okay, and Lens Tourist Transport Services gift packs.
16 o
A-Freight
50.
gift pack, LBC,
16 o
16
16
apparels,
yan. Kasi hindi naman
May Ramos bags, Austrian Ars beauty products, Vivianti,
15.
gift products also, Momo Shoe gift
Kasi for
products,
third,
Sky
second,
H beauty
first,
nail
tapos yung
services,
Makatap yung ano.
Jocelyn Tan,
Winayi number 3.
beauty products also.
si 80 ko
And to be awarded by Donna Ann Laurel and Dewey Casmani. And to be crowned by for Queen of the Year 2023 is
16. 16!
number
16! 16!
Queen number 16.
Sabi ko eh.
Hindi siya naman nakasagot eh. Marunong tarting. Opo, opo, opo! Hindi makita sa likod. Umupo ang mga photographer sa
Yung photographer. Ito yung manok nila, yung number 8. Sino? Ito.
Hindi nakuha.
Ito. Yung naka...
Ah, yung ano. Number 3. Yung naka-purple. Number 20! 30! 30! Go, sayang!
Go, sayang, go! Nanalo si sayang tuloy.
Alright.
Laban yung 3 tsaka 15.
Lord, is Irene Wong.
15! 15!
From
15! Number 8. Second runner.
Blue, only 3 women left.
Ay, maglaban ng 50. Ay, 8 at saka 3. Kaya nga tatawagin nga number 8.
3 women left. And the second runner-up is second runner-up for Queen of the Year 2023 is candidate Queen number 8. Queen of the Year.
Philippines and Indonesia.
Go, sayang, go!
Indonesia. Go, sayang! Go, number 3! Go, Sydney!
Wala,
So for our first runner-up, to be awarded by Mr.
Ano kaya? Kinasawahan din kami mag-usap.
Oliver Pantao and Tony Ronda.
Hey, ikaw ay binili to the magic!
Again, our first runner-up will receive
Hindi, 15 ang first runner up para yung number 3 ang ano, queen na.
sash and sash worth 800. Okay, of course.
Imekos-mekos na natin yan!
Go, number 3!
LBC and Tourist Transport Services. A-Freight gift packs. LBC, Sashi Apparel.
Pag nag-first runner up si number 3, wala na. Ito na yung ano, queen. Mag-queen na yung ano.
Momo Shoe for gift packs. Sky H Beauty Nail Salon, Nail Services. And gift packs from...
Go, number 3! Number 3, go! Number 3!
Eka na dyan!
Number 3! Come on! Number 3, come on!
Christina Giles, Jimmy Casmani,
Go, Jenny! Go, Jenny!
Mama Susan, and Mark.
Go, number 3!
Together with
Ano ba itatawagin? First o ano pala? 1,000. 1,000.
and the representative from Metro Marine Culture. So the Grand River will be here.
Go, number 3!
And the winner will receive trophy, crown, sash, and $1,000 extra rebate voucher. So total of $2,000 for the Grand Winner. And apart from that, she will receive dance tourist transport services, gift bags, transferable round trip ticket.
Oh my God!
Then, gift bag by Juliet Pagdang, Noan Laurel, Johnson gift bag.
Go, number 3!
Cargo Private Limited, Pagdala Box. 8 freight gift bags for top 5 also. Then Dance Tourist Transport, LBC Express gift voucher, Samchic Apparel, A. Ramos Bags, Austria Bars, Beauty Products, Yankee Products, Momochu gift bags, Sky Beach Beauty Nail Services, and gift bags from Ikla under Miss Jocelyn Tan. The first runner-up. That means the remaining lady will be our Queen of the Year 2023.
Yung makway. Number 3.
Ladies,
3! Ay, guys! Come on, 3! Ano ang resent mo? Tatawagin. First, ang winner. Come on, 3!
these are the two ladies who are really good speakers. And are we ready, guys?
Guys, sabutot ka.
Who's your bet, guys? Ladies? While waiting for the presenters, okay, hold in the building. Okay, just who's your bet?
Me, number 3!
I shall announce the first runner-up.
Oh, first runner-up! Bahala kayo!
Good luck and all the best.
Sorry.
First runner-up for Queen of the Year 2023 is
15! 1,000 pesos po yan!
Queen number
15! 15!
Queen number 15. Tika Sari, first runner-up Queen of the Year 2023. That means you can go home.
Number 3! I'm so proud of you, sister! Kapatid mo? Dapat kayo manalo dyan. Okay na yun! Alam ko na yan! Kailan mo alam? Kasi magaling sumagot. Hindi lang maganda, may utak ka. Wala sa
of the Year 2023. Okay, sponsors, let's go. Okay, let's go, sponsors. Let's give the floor to the winners.
Online, come on, behind.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall